You want to give us a ride to Donner Pass?
I'm not
We'll pay
leaving
you.
for a while.
Oh, man.
Seen in the high country like in Yosemite, it's different color. It's purple or deeper color.
Yeah, I normally think of it as a purple.
I had no regrets about staying last night.
Good afternoon, y'all. We are just leaving Truckee. Well, we left a few hours ago, but we got 2 hitches. So the first hitch, a guy brought us to Highway 80 because we just said Donner Pass Summit. So he brought us to Highway 80, and me and Weatherman realized that we were gonna have to hike 4 miles that we already just hiked to get to Highway 40, which is Donner Pass Summit, technically, with Donner Ski Ranch. And so we're like kind of bummed, and then we're walking, and we see these 2 ladies coming out of the trailhead, and we're like, hey, any chance you could give us a ride? We're PCT hikers, like we really don't want to redo these miles. We didn't realize where we got dropped off. And she's like, of course, you know, get in my car. I used to be a trail angel for years and years and years, and she's telling us all these stories. Really wonderful lady and wonderful gentleman who gave us that hitch in the first place. But we got back to Highway 40, and then we actually started hiking from where we left off, which was very nice. We plan on doing like 16 today and then 20 tomorrow to get the edge of Desolation, and then we're going to just hike through Desolation Wilderness and then all the way through to South Lake Tahoe. And that will wrap up the entire section of NorCal, which is crazy. We don't really know what to think about being this close, and it doesn't seem real. I actually watched the documentary last night with Weatherman and Tickshot that inspired me to hike this thing in the first place. And it's called As It Happens. I'm sure some of you all have already seen it. But it's about 2 guys that hiked the PCT back in, I think, 11. And man, I saw that story when I was sitting on my couch in Oakland. Never had backpacked a day in my life. And I just thought these guys were just absolute legends, you know? And then I just was so inspired, and they were so free in the wilderness, and I wanted that to be me. And I guess I got my wish, because now here I am, free in the wilderness. And I've been out here for quite some time, but I'm really, really fired up for this last bit. Really inspired. And I'm inspired to create more than I ever have been before, which is awesome. I didn't really expect that. Thought I would kind of burn out, but I'm ready to create something cool. I don't know what, but it'll be something cool. That's it though. That's the plan, and I'll see you all in South Lake Tahoe. And we're gonna wrap up NorCal and get into the High Sierra. Lake Tahoe, right there.
Perfect.